Tired of juggling files between your computer and the cloud? Let's tame that digital chaos and seamlessly connect your Google Drive to your computer. First, head over to the Google Drive website in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and then select Download Drive for desktop. The installer file will now download to your computer. Find the downloaded file usually in your Downloads folder and double-click it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. You might be asked to grant permissions for Google Drive to access your system. Click Yes or Allow to proceed. Once installed, the Google Drive icon will appear in your system tray, typically located at the bottom right of your screen. Click on this icon to sign in with your Google account. After signing in, a Google Drive folder will appear in your File Explorer or Finder. This folder is now synced with your Google Drive in the cloud. You have to option Stream Files, which keeps files in the cloud and only downloads them when you need them. Saving Space or Mirror Files, which downloads everything to your computer, allowing for offline access, but using more storage. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Now, simply drag and drop files and folders into your Google Drive folder to automatically upload them to the cloud. Any changes you make will be synced across all your devices. To ensure offline access, right-click on specific files or folders within your Google Drive folder and select Offline Access. This will download those items to your computer for use even without an internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Drive with your computer for seamless file management and collaboration. Enjoy the convenience of having your files accessible anywhere, anytime.